Alright guys, we got her done last night. Did a couple of pulls on the freeway. This fucking thing opens up like you wouldn't believe. I mean, I fucking was rolling. Full send at about 90 miles an hour, the clutch slipped. Probably not a big deal. I have to go throw stage 2 clutch in it. It's got a stage 1 right now. Stage 1's supposed to be able to handle like 350 horsepower. So I guess I beat that wrap. I'm over 350 if that clutch won't hold. Next week we'll get it on the dyno. See how much it's really pulling. Tune it in. It's got a little laggy, but I think they can tune that out of it. When the turbo failed on the dyno, I tried to rebuild it. The gland in the shaft was smashed, so I couldn't get a new ring in it. But this guy here hooked me up. See if you can see that. Arizona Turbo Inc. Joel Britt. 602-253-9953. This is like the coolest, nicest guy you'll ever talk to. He's just full of fucking energy, and you know, he's on point. When I first went there for my bushings and stuff, he just gave them to me for free. He said, go fix your car, have a good time. So I had to give a shout out to him. His name's Joel. Arizona Turbo Inc. Downtown by Grand and Indian School and all that. But the turbo I got from him, I got a new turbo because the other one was just unrebuildable, unfixable, whatever. But so I put his turbo on. I had to weld a new flange right there. I welded it on the inside so it didn't look all shitty because none of us can weld yet. But it worked out nice. I'm going to reroute the oil line and do a couple other things and check all my bolts to make sure everything's still tight. But she's running great, man. I mean, we were fucking flying last night. I'm going to go grab some donuts for the brats this morning in it. We'll go for a little ride, maybe pop a couple of wheelies. But yeah, that's it, man. This fucking thing is on fucking point. Oh, there's my dogs. So I guess I'll cut it short for right here. Let's go for a ride, huh? Cold starts and wet farts. rev limiter comes up quick in first gear. You want to say something before you fuck up my exhaust in front of everybody on YouTube?
Sloppy as fuck.
Really?